different than other days. The entire campus was buzzing with artworks. It was colorful, it was vibrant, it was joyful. When I walked through Aesthetica today, I paused at various points, not just to see the artwork, but to see the students' evolving relationship with the art forms, with the objects around them, how they see the beautiful world around them, how they take meaning out of it. They're going beyond it. They're going beyond it to see how human efforts are being put into developing anything. So they have started seeing it as a landscape, and they have started seeing the wider perspective of an object. Here at Cambridge Schools, the art is not meant to be confined in the classroom. It has to come out of those confines, from those spaces. It has to come out to give a platform to the students where the art becomes a medium for exploration, for communication, for creativity, for questioning. And this was the objective of this year's Aesthetica theme, that is Objectified, Human Beings and Man-Made Material. In the 4th edition of Aesthetica, today we had as our chief guest esteemed Professor Snehanshu Mukherjee, a noted educationist, design thinker and an architect. And there were so many insights shared by Sir on the artworks and the methodologies and the practices done by children and the teachers alike. So this was quite an understanding for us.
This year in Aesthetica, we try to explore the relationship of human beings and the objects. Yes, we live in a society where nature is important, but as well as objects are important, starting from a wristwatch, bag, bottles, alarm clock. So how sensitively we are designing it, how we are thinking, objects doesn't speak. But when you start to think, when you be silent and think, do my alarm clock say something? Do my bag say something? Do my wristwatch say something? Do that particular air-conditioned machine say something? So this particular aspect of how objects are having relation with us, how objects are designed by us, how objects are connected with us, how we use objects to communicate today, how objects shape our regular life, you can see and you can experience through this particular exhibition.
This was a big surprise because firstly the entire exhibition was very beautifully curated and very well, almost at a professional level of mounting. I know the resource crunch of a school versus an art gallery, so given that, it's definitely very, very commendable. And I particularly liked the narrative, the stories that were told through the artworks, with the performance blended into the whole storytelling, with music, with scripting, with action. So there was quite an experience. There aren't too many schools that take art as a core. You know, it's treated as a sort of a side or a supplementary course. But I find that here, Cambridge School in Srinivaspuri is actually trying to take it into the heart of the school, which makes it all the more important and different. And many more schools should, in my opinion, really start thinking about such things in this fashion. You know, it's going to make a difference to the lives of the students for sure.